everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video, I will show you on how to schedule meetings in Zoom. But for you to be able to do that, you need the Zoom app first, and you can download it. It's either in your phone or in your laptop or PC. Okay, if you have it now, you may just click the Zoom app. Then you need to sign in. Just click the button sign in. Then enter your email. I will enter my email first. And then your password. Okay, there you are. If you have your email and password now, you can just click the sign in button. And makikita niyo na po yung different features ng Zoom. So, sabi ko nga po kanina, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-schedule sa Zoom. Dito po sa left side, makikita nyo yung meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. And para makapag-schedule po tayo ng meeting, i-click lang po natin yung calendar icon. At ito na po yung lalabas. Isa-isahin po natin from the top. Dito makikita nyo po yung topic. Ano po yung topic ng meeting nyo? For example, parents orientation. Kailan po ito mag-start? Anong date po ito mag-start? For example, on August 5. Ayan po, naka-schedule siya on August 5. Then, what time? Anong oras po mag-start? For example, 9 a.m. So, ilagay lang po natin, hanapin natin dito yung 9 a.m. So, there you are. Mag-start po yung parents orientation at 9 o'clock a.m. on August 5. So, ano po yung duration? Gaano po katagal or gaano katagal yung meeting? For example, 2 hours yung allotted time natin, dun 2 hours and 30 minutes. But, just to remind you po, dun sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, we have only 40 minutes free in Zoom. Okay? Kung naka-premium ka po, no worries, no duration na po. Pag naka-premium ka po, it's unlimited po. But, if you are using free Zoom, you only have 40 minutes to use it. But, sometimes po, pwede pong i-advance si Zoom. For example, ang nilagay mong 2 hours, pwede siyang maging 1 hour. Na-experience ko na po yan, and ma-experience nyo din po yan soon kapag palagi nyo nang ginagamit yung Zoom app. Okay po. So, let's proceed po dito sa meeting ID. Meron po tayo ditong generate automatically and personal meeting ID. Usually po ang ginagamit ko, personal meeting ID. Mas madali po siya, hindi po pa bago-bago. Ayan na po yung aking ginagamit. Then, kapag generate automatically po, iba't iba po yan na ibibigay sa inyo ni Zoom yung meeting ID nyo. For example, nag-schedule ka po ng meeting today, then, clinic mo po yung generate automatically. Si Zoom po yung magbibigay ng meeting ID. Then, kapag nag-schedule ka po ng meeting again tomorrow, and generate automatically, panibagong meeting ID. But, kapag pinindot niyo po yung personal meeting ID, yan na po talaga yung personal meeting ID and password niyo po. Pero pwede niyo pong customize yung password dito. Okay? And then, let's proceed to video. Okay. Kung gusto niyo entering ng host, which is ikaw, then yung participants mo, naka-off po yung video nila. Kung gusto niyo naman po naka-on, just click on. And, calendar, Google Calendar po. Or, depende po sa inyo kung Outlook yung gusto nyo, Google Calendar, or other calendars. Then, just click the button schedule. That's all na po. You just need to write the topic, the date, the time, the duration. Then, it's up to you if you will generate your meeting ID automatically, or you will use your personal meeting ID, and customize your password, or if your video is on upon entering or off. Then that's all. you have the schedule meeting na. Okay. We need to sign in first in Google para po ma-save yung ating schedule. Pero kung kamali man po kayo, may changes, for example sa time, pwede nyo po siyang ma-edit. Papakita ko rin po sa inyo yan. So, ayan po. Another. Allow. Ayan po. Kapag nagsisave po, pag pinili nyo po yung Google Calendar, kailangan nyo po mag-sign in sa Google para ma-save. Then, just click Save. Ayan. Ayan. Nakasave na po siya. So, for us to check if nakaschedule na po yung meeting, punta lang po tayo dito sa upper part. My Home, Chat, Meetings, Contacts. Then, click the Meetings. Ayan po. Ayan po yung Parents Orientation. So, for example po, nagkaroon po kayo ng changes sa time or sa date. Pwede nyo po siyang i-edit. Dito po. Ayan. Pwede nyo po siyang i-edit. For example, nagbago ka ng isip. Gusto mo personal meeting ID na. And nabago ito ng June or August 11. Tapos mag-start kayo ng 10 a.m. Ayan, nabago. Ayan, kailangan nyo po ulit siyang i-save sa Google Calendar. Then, click Save. And nakasave na po yan. Tignan na po natin. Ayan. 9 o'clock a.m. Ito na po yung na-edit natin. 10 o'clock a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So, pwede nyo na pong isend ngayon yung link. Parents po, pwede nyo na po siyang isend. Okay? So, that's all. Ganun lang po kadali gumawa ng or mag-schedule ng meeting. Hope you learned something from this video. See you in my next video. Bye!